Start small and then speak strong with Flash Fountain.
Hey everyone! What's up, Flash Fountain family? It's your guy Lucas, and welcome back to your favorite spot to learn real-life English the fun way.
And I'm Sophia. So, Lucas, what's our topic today? You look way too excited for a normal morning. Did you win the lottery or something?
Not yet, but you know what? Today's topic feels homey. Literally. We're talking about how to describe your house or apartment.
Oh, nice. I love this one. Because honestly, everyone's home says something about them, right? Like, show me your living room and now know who you are.
Exactly. And I think your apartment totally screams cozy chic. Plants, candles, books, and what, 100 pillows?
Hey, 99? Thank you very much. I like soft things, okay?
Sure. So, friends, if you've ever wanted to talk about your home in English, today is the day. But instead of grammar rules or lists, we're just going to chat about our real homes, stories, moments, weird habits, all.
Lucas, let's start simple. If I walk into your apartment right now, what's the first thing I'd notice?
Probably the smell of coffee and maybe my running shoes by the door. My apartment is not huge, kind of medium-sized, 2 bedrooms, but it feels open because of the big windows. Sunlight hits the couch every morning. That's my favorite part.
Oh, wow. That sounds nice. Mine's smaller, just 1 bedroom, but it's got this big balcony with plants. When people walk in, they always say, "Sophia, your place feels alive." I think that's because of all the green.
Yeah, your apartment is like a mini jungle. I remember last time I visited, your fern almost hit me in the face.
Hey, that's Fernie. Don't insult my fern, baby.
Oh, sorry, Fernie.
So what's your morning routine like at home?
I wake up around 7, open the curtains, and boom, sunlight all over the room. Then I head to the kitchen, start my coffee machine, and play some jazz. The smell of coffee fills the apartment. That moment, that smell feels like peace.
I love that. I do something similar, except I make tea and play old pop songs. My apartment always smells like vanilla because of my candles. Sometimes I even talk to myself like, "Good morning, queen."
That's so you. I talk to my coffee mug sometimes. Hey, buddy, wake me up.
You too need therapy.
Everyone has a favorite corner at home. What's yours?
Definitely my reading chair near the balcony. It's big, soft, and covered with a white blanket. I sit there with tea, read, or just stare at the city lights at night. It's my peace zone.
I love that. For me, it's the little dining table next to the window. I eat, work, sometimes even daydream there. At night, the city lights outside feel like stars.
That's the magic of having a home. It's not about size. It's about feeling safe and calm.
Yeah, a small apartment can feel like a palace if it's yours.
Serious question. How often do you clean? Be honest.
Next question?
That means once a week, maybe?
Okay. Once every, let's say, moment of panic. You know, when someone texts, "I'm 5 minutes away," and you suddenly become Superman with a vacuum.
Oh my God, yes, that's so real. I call it emergency cleaning. Like, throw everything in one drawer and hope no one opens it.
Exactly. And when guests leave, you're like, "Wow, my house looks great. Why can't I always live like this?"
Because we're human and lazy.
Speaking of cleaning, how is your kitchen? You cook a lot, right?
Yeah, but it's small. I've got open shelves with cute mugs and spices. I love cooking, especially pasta or pancakes on Sunday. My kitchen is my happy chaos.
Mine's pretty simple. Gray cabinets, white counter, 1 good coffee maker, and 1 pan I use for literally everything.
1 pan for everything?
Yep, eggs, noodles, pancakes, life decisions, all in that pan.
You sound like a student still.
I prefer the term minimalist.
What's your living room like? Big sofa, TV?
Yeah, I've got a big dark gray sofa, soft cushions, a wooden coffee table, and a smart TV mounted on the wall. But my favorite part, the rug. It's soft, warm, and my cat sleeps on it all day.
Oh, that sounds cozy. My living room's tiny, but it's full of light. I've got fairy lights hanging across the wall and a small couch that turns into a bed. That's great when friends visit.
Oh, I've seen it. Your place looks like Pinterest exploded in a good way.
I'll take that as a compliment.
Let's talk about bedrooms. Is yours more hotel aesthetic or Pillow Mountain?
Definitely Pillow Mountain. I love layers. Blanket, quilt, throw, more pillows. My bed feels like a cloud. When I get in, I never want to leave.
Same. I keep my bedroom super minimal though. Just the bed, 2 lamps, and a big photo on the wall. A sunrise from my favorite beach. It helps me sleep peacefully.
That sounds calming. Do you make your bed every morning?
Only on special occasions, like when I remembered to be an adult.
Do you have a work desk at home?
Yeah, it's small but organized. Laptop, mic, notebooks, one small plant. I try to keep it tidy because if my desk is messy, my brain feels messy too.
Same here. I've got a wooden desk near my balcony so I get sunlight when I work. I even added a small whiteboard for random ideas. Sometimes I write quotes like, "You got this," just to motivate myself.
You sound like an influencer already.
Manifesting, baby.
Okay, random but important. What's your bathroom vibe?
That's private, but okay. I keep it super clean with scented candles and towels rolled like a spa. It's my thinking zone.
Same. Showers are where I solve life problems. I've had full concerts in there too.
Admit it, you sing 80 songs.
Guilty. Nothing beats Echo plus shampoo.
You have good neighbors?
Mostly, yeah. Except the one upstairs who seems to move furniture every night.
Oh no, I had that too once. My old neighbor used to play guitar at midnight. I actually started recognizing his sad songs by sound.
Wow, free concerts though.
True. Now I have a quiet one, an old lady who always bakes cookies and shares them. She's basically everyone's grandma.
That's sweet. I want a cookie, Grandma.
You mentioned your cat earlier. Tell me about him.
Oh yeah, his name is Milo. He's fluffy, lazy, and acts like he owns the apartment. He loves sitting on my keyboard when I'm working.
Typical cat behavior. I don't have a pet, but my neighbor's dog visits sometimes. I feed him biscuits, and now he thinks I'm his aunt.
Pet relationships are the best. Homes feel warmer with them around.
Do you think your home matches your personality?
Good question. I think yes. My home is simple, organized, full of light, just like how I want my mind to be.
Oh, poetic. Mine's colorful, cozy, full of random things that make me happy, like postcards, candles, and fairy lights. So yeah, it totally reflects me.
That's what homes are, a mirror of who we are. And
What's your favorite memory in your apartment?
probably last winter. My friends came over, we cooked pasta, played board games, and laughed until midnight. It felt like family.
That's beautiful. For me, it's when I moved in. I remember sitting on the floor surrounded by boxes, eating pizza, feeling like, wow, this is my place now. That first night feeling is unforgettable.
Totally. That's when a house becomes a home.
Okay, let's dream a bit. What's your dream home like?
Ooh, I'd love a small modern house near the sea, big windows, white walls, lots of plants. I'd wake up to ocean sounds every morning.
I can see that. Mine would be a little cabin in the mountains. Fireplace, bookshelves, and big windows with snow outside. I'd drink hot chocolate all day.
So, Beach Boy versus Mountain Girl, classic.
Exactly. But both sound peaceful, right?
Yeah, home is where peace.
Imagine if your apartment could talk. What would it say about you?
Probably, Lucas, please stop leaving socks everywhere.
Mine would say, Sophia, you don't need another candle.
Or, girl, clean that sink.
Hey, only sometimes.
Homes really do keep our secrets, don't they?
Oh, yes. Every wall has heard something. Laughter, tears, music, late night thoughts. That's what makes it special.
You know, it's funny, talking about your home is such a good small talk topic. Like when someone asks, so where do you live?
You can say, I live in a small, cozy apartment downtown with a great view.
Yeah, it's an easy way to connect. You can talk about your favorite room or even say, my living room is full of lights and music. People love that.
Exactly, because homes tell stories, and everyone.
When people describe their house, they often talk about things, furniture, colors, walls. But I think home is more about emotions.
Yeah, home is that place where you can be yourself. Messy hair, bad mood, no filter. It's comfort, not perfection.
Well said.
Thanks. I guess at the end of the day, describing your home is like describing your... All right, let's wrap it up. Today we talked about everything from morning routines to dream houses, from coffee smells to cats on keyboards.
And we learned that describing your home isn't just about walls or furniture, it's about your life, your memories, and your personality.
So, Flash Fountain family, what's your home like? Tell us in the comments below. We'd love to read your stories.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English conversations like this one.
And remember, wherever you are, make it feel like home.
This is Lucas.
And Sophia.